Salesforce is one of our principal building blocks for our social enterprise. It enables us to create the collaboration platform, the social platform on which the business can run. So it's a really remarkable story just of an institution that is part of the fabric of Australia. We are one of the first banks in the world to have a real-time banking core. So, you can extend this new world to anyone, anywhere, anytime.
It's as simple as making an instant decision to buy a house. You hold your phone up to the house, you get all the statistics. We're compiling all the information we know about you and say, here's the loan, you're approved.
If you look at the integration of that social tool set across the enterprise, what Chatter enables is this ability for the narrative of the business to be captured and shared, and for people to turn every communication into a social communication on their own device. That is enormously powerful.
Social media is a reflection of the current technology of how gregarious human beings are. We want to be networked, we want to be in the loop, we want self-referential information.
We started out on Facebook with absolutely no idea of what would happen next. What we found is that it is probably one of the most effective marketing platforms in the market today for us. Radian 6 is what we're now using to underpin sort of the pillars of execution for us in Facebook. It surfaces the conversation and it gives you the opportunity to change the customer experience and make the customer experience personal and really relevant fast. Our relationship with customers is a reasonably straightforward one. You give me something that you don't even trust yourself with, that you really value, and I promise to give it back to you at any point in time in a better state than you gave it to me in. And if you think about it, it's a similar thing for Salesforce. You give me your most precious asset, your customer data. I promise to look after it better than you can, and I'll give it back to you with insights wrapped around it, connected to social. That's the magic of it, right?
We're using these new electronic means to emulate the real-time conversation that you would have once had with your banker. And if we can bring back some of that intimacy and connect people, then we've brought back the very essence of trust, transparency, and value.
The thing to understand, I think, about all these social technologies is they have to act in service of a bigger strategy.
So it's really simple. It's not about technology, it's actually about what the customers need to make their lives better.
We're absolutely smashing the walls down between the enterprise and the world, and we're bringing that same spirit that 20 or 30 or 40 years ago mustered between the local branch manager and their community. Salesforce and CBA together, we're going to change the way banking happens.